Time check 9:40, no, 9:41 a.m. And it's 5 degrees outside at nag-snow pa rin. It's still snowing. I-monitor ko yung dalawang sasakyan na yan. Yan. I-monitor ko yan kung gaano yan ka lubog sa snow later on this afternoon. They did not like to put it inside the garage. Probably the garage full of stuffs. That's our driveway down there. And you can't see, but you can see the concrete, but the snow. It's beautiful though, but you couldn't go out. 11:49. The stairs, they're already covered with it. It's still going strong. But I'm not going out. I don't think so. It's 6 degrees out there. The last time we had snow, like a week ago, it was 29 degrees. That's why we went out and had fun. But today, I don't think so. No. Oh, the kids out there, they're so brave. You're so brave, buddy. Make sure you have the right clothes and shoes, because 6 degrees is it's not a joke. Because we are just hiding behind the door, behind the window this time. We're not that brave. 3:08. Let's check the snow outside. We will start here at the back of the house. You see that? Very bright. Very bright, brighter than my future already. And it's still snowing. I think if it doesn't stop until tomorrow morning, mga more or less 12 inches lang naman. Because hindi siya marami, hindi siya kapal, it's not thick. It's just a little bit, but very consistent. Let's look at the vehicles that I wanted to monitor since early in the morning. Wala. Literally puti na talaga siya. Literally white. white sedan. Literally white sedan.
They got room for vehicles inside their car, inside their garage.
That's what I said.
They're not putting. You look around here, they will not. You know what? They got junk inside their garage.
There must be a good reason why they just left like that.
They got all their junk inside.
I don't think it's junk. They just need a tough shed.
When I know I had a 2-car garage, the one thing I demanded of myself, make sure your car is in the garage. I am not going to be shoveling snow off my car.
It's too cold.
It's too cold.
Earlier it was 5 and then 6, and then I'm not sure, because it's already 3 o'clock. I'm not sure how much the temperature in the next few hours. It's 4:30 and I'm still enjoying the view outside. Especially that, look at that the sun. The sun is ready to sit now. Where is it? That. That's the sun. Ready for sundown. It's pretty, huh? Very pretty. And then the other side of the house is the sunrise. Very pretty in the morning too. Especially in summertime. May hindi nakatiis. Don't fall, okay?
Mom, I know. Hurry, because you're gonna get let all the warm out.
Hala. It's up to here, man.
Exactly.
Jeez. Hold on.
Ay, nako.
Hala. Pumasok dito. It's already in the porch.
Es hora de comer.
Hala, no, nak. You can't go downstairs because look.
Okay, I know.
Hala. Hala.
This will have to do.
And she's hitting with spoon. You're silly. I have to go inside, Nana Bay.
Okay.
Ooh,
Bye.
look at those. Oh, white world.
Mom, hurry, go back inside.
I'm looking for more. Dinner is ready.
Let's taste test.
Taste test.
That's right.
Yes, you're done?
Yeah.
I put paper towel there so that you can wipe it off. I told you I don't want to go out with you. There must be a, huh?
That snow is not safe to eat.
Were you eating it?
Yeah, I was eating it.
And you have rollers too, so did you measure it?
It's 8 inches.
Huh?
8 inches.
8 inches! Oh my goodness. I underestimated it. I was like just 6
I told
inches.
you Daddy can do math.
Oh, Daddy.
Anyways, I'm never doing that again.
See, mother knows best. You should just listen to me.
Bleh.
Bleh.
Well, I can't help it. The snow looks so delicious.
Oh my goodness. Ah.
I ate a little bit, but it
You
froze
should
my
bring
tongue.
some syrup in the glass. And put the snow. Halo. Use the paper towel, please.
I know. I know what I'm doing, guys.
You do.
Ugh.
What is that? Not a good one?
Experience.
Oh, not a good experience.